everyone. Today is November 6th, and you know what that means, right? You don't? It's the fourth annual Nacho Day, and Jim from Jim's Kitchen is hosting this collab, which of course I will be participating in. You need to go check out Jim. He makes me laugh. He is such a good entertainer. He gives you trivia from the products or the recipes that he's making so you learn while you're having fun. I will leave his link down below. So today, because Jim is hosting this, I wanted to do a crazy recipe. So tonight for supper, and they have to be nachos, I'm going to be making peppermint, hot chocolate, bacon, cheeseburger nachos. What all goes into the peppermint, hot chocolate, bacon, cheeseburger nachos? You need tortilla chips, 1 pound ground beef. I have the 93% lean. 6 strips of bacon cooked and crumbled, and I've already done that. 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. 1/4 cup hot chocolate mix. And 1/4 cup peppermint candies crushed. So let's begin. Take a skillet and put your ground beef in the skillet. And cook that until no longer pink. Preheat the oven to 375. Take your tortillas, put them on a baking tray. I do want to thank Jim for inviting me to participate in his 4th annual Nacho Day. All right, so the tortillas are on the baking sheet. Then we want to put the ground beef on top of the tortilla chips. If you need to be sure and drain your ground beef, you don't want soggy chips. I like the spoon because it's kind of like a draining spoon. Rosie Cooks had one. I absolutely fell in love, and so I had to find one. So thanks, Rosie. So tell me, what do you think that Dave's going to say with this peppermint hot chocolate bacon cheeseburger nachos? And then you want to top with your mozzarella cheese, which is 1 cup. You may probably add more if you'd like. I may do that. And I'm going to add just a little bit more around the edges, in the middle. So every top nacho anyway has some cheese. So far so good. Looks good, right? That's the cheeseburger part. Next you want to add the bacon. And this is 6 strips of bacon. As of now, we have the bacon cheeseburger nachos. Then next, we're going to take our 1/4 cup of hot chocolate mix. Now this is weird because you don't mix it or anything. It's just the dry mix. And then last, the 1/4 cup of crushed peppermint. And that was a lot of fun. Some of these pieces are a little bit big. I tried to get smaller pieces. Once Dave hears that, I think he's going to be hesitant to eat it. I know bacon and sweet stuff go together, but I am not sure about the hot chocolate part. So we'll put this in a preheated 375-degree oven for 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. So here is the peppermint hot chocolate bacon cheeseburger nachos. Let's see what Dave thinks. Happy Nacho Day.
Happy Nacho Day. This is different. It's got like something sweet in here.
It is peppermint, hot chocolate, bacon, cheeseburger nachos.
Well, I got the peppermint. Did you say cinnamon?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, okay.
And what it is, the hot chocolate mix that you mix up with water, or it's just the mix on there.
Well, it's an interesting blend of flavors. I like it, actually. It's a really different mix of flavors, but it's good, really good. Yep.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.